How to analyze a swing trading stock in 5 minutes. Do you know 80% of the retail traders lose money because they pick wrong stocks for swing trading? But what if you could select the right swing trading stock in just 5 minutes? As a SEBI research analyst, I will show you my exact process that works across NSE and BSE stocks. Hi friends, I am Deepak Kanodia, a SEBI registered research analyst, CFA, as well as full-time MBA in international finance. Today I will show you how to select swing trading stocks in just 5 minutes by 3 simple criteria: liquidity, trend, and technical indicators. This strategy works for Indian stocks on NSE and BSE, whether you are trading equity, options, or futures. There is a disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes only, no investment advice. Do your own research or consult your financial advisor before trading. So we are on the website Chart Inc. So you will get the stocks where the volume is increasing last 10 days, and I suggest the stocks which have volume more than 5 lakhs. So I put the filters in the charting. You can see the filters that the daily volume should be greater than 5 lakhs and the volume should be increasing last 10 days. I suggest go for stocks which have high liquidity, that have having more than 5,000 crores market cap, and we should select those stocks which have not run up quite a bit, but which are in the range and on the verge of moving up or moving down, if you want to see the uptrend or downtrend. So I have set the criteria for daily percentage more than 1% and daily percentage less than 2%. So you can see the stocks over here, so which are in the range of 1 or 2%. So 32 stocks you can find, and each stock you have to see and apply on the next window of trading view. So you can see the setup according to the stocks mentioned over here. So now you have to copy this stocks list into the trading view. How to do that? You have to just click on Excel. Once the file is downloaded, click on the stock on the file, click on all the symbols and copy the data, and then go to the notepad and paste it over here and save the file. Just save it at chart inc 26. Then I have to go to the trading view chart here, and then here from here I create a new list, chart inc, and create, and then you can upload the list from here. We'll got all the stock list from here. So you can see all the stocks on the charting have been come on the TradingView website. So now we go for how to look for the stocks which to trade. So you don't have to trade on all the stocks. Now my criteria is you have to see the stocks which are on uptrend, and the time frame should be 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, and 4 hours. You have to see each stock in all these 4 time frames. My main criteria is that at least the stock should be crossing the stock price should be crossing the 9 EMA and 20 EMA on 1 hour, 2 hour, and 3 hour at least time frames. So just I can show you. Suppose I show the stocks Vare Energies. You can see I just zoom it. So this yellow line, just ignore this yellow line. This is a 50 EMA line. I'm just focusing on the stocks which are on a 9 and 20 EMA. Okay, so you can see the stock have crossed the 9 and 20 EMA line on 15th June and 15. So it's closed higher, so it closed at 3056. Okay, so but you have to see on every time frame, on 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, and 1 hour. Okay, you can see if the stock is in downtrend, it will go below the 9 EMA, and if it is in uptrend, it will cross both the 9 EMA and 20 EMA. But important point is thing here is that 9 EMA should be above the 20 EMA, and the stock price in this time frame should be 9 EMA too. So from here you can see that the stock price on 12th June at 3:15 p.m. Vori Energies in 1 hour time frame is above the both 9 EMA and 20 EMA. So you can see it's never crossed below the 20 EMA line. It's closed, didn't close below the 20 EMA line on 2 hours, and neither on 3 hours, okay, and neither on 4 hour EMA. So if the stock is above 9 EMA and 20 EMA on all the time frames, basically in on 2 hours, 3 hours and 4 hours time frame, then you can get a swing trading opportunity over here. Above the 9 EMA and 20 EMA, you have to see the resistance, at what resistance the stock will be facing the resistance in these time frames. So here you can see in 1 hour the stocks will be in resistance in the range of 3150 to 3160. Same here and same here. So it doesn't mean you have to keep on holding, you have to see the resistance and support also. If the stock have crossed both the 9 EMA and 20 EMA, and then there is a resistance coming, so you have to exit the stock. And suppose the stock does not comes in your favor and it starts going down as soon as you buy, so you have to place the stop loss in such a way so that it does not go below 20 EMA. So that I also consider 50 EMA. So I'm getting a 5% move in less than the here we are on 15 June, and suppose it comes out around in a week or so. So in a week or so I'm getting 5%, but your stop loss would be in such a way that risk reward should be 1:2. So you must be getting at least 2 times of reward than the risk we are placing. Now just go to the another stock. You can go and see Inox Wind. So you can see the stock on 1 hour time frame had crossed the 9 week. I'll just remove this 50 EMA line. Have crossed this 9 EMA and 20 EMA line on 12th June at 9:15 AM. Okay, and see on the 2 hour time frame also. In the same chart we are seeing that it's crossing 9 EMA and 20 EMA, and 3 hours as well as. So 4 hours you are not seeing the crossing the 20 EMA, but as soon as its high is broken, you can see the high is high on 4 hour time frame is 85.8. So and as soon as the high is crossed, goes above 86, you can see the up move. So as soon as it crossed 86 rupees, the stock have advanced more than 5 rupees. Just place the stock by here, and you have to see the resistance too. Yeah, so here you can see the resistance. We can see the resistance we are facing here, the short term resistance is here, or if it advances further, then it can go till here. So you are getting, so here we have crossed 86 rupees and we are getting 92 rupees, right? See, you are getting 90. If you get 91 also 91.5. So from 86 to 91.5, we are getting at least 5.5 to 6 rupees. So which is more than 7 to 8%. And in how many days? From 12th to around in a week or so, you are getting 6 to 7% return. I would suggest you go for the stop loss at the lowest of both the 9 EMA and 20 EMA line. Okay, so you have to see all the charts, and then you have to see each time frame, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour and 4 time frame, in which the stock is advancing or going in a downtrend. If the stock is going below 9 EMA and is also below 20 EMA, then the stock is ultimately in a downtrend. So you can sort the stocks if you do futures. So accordingly you can trade. So in swing trading you get the opportunity of 5 to 10%, but keep in mind the risk reward ratio of at least 2:1. Means if you are getting the profit of 10 rupees, so you should not suffer the loss of more than 5 rupees. So risk management is very very important. protect your capital first, then look for profits. Now just first of all, if I get some stocks, if you write down the stocks that you have selected, say out of 34 stocks, suppose you get 10 stocks, you don't have to trade in all the 10 stocks. So then you look after the fundamentals. What are the fundamentals of this stock? Is it in a loss making company or is it a profit making company? So you go to screener.in. Is the company making cash profits or not? Is the company taking debt at much higher levels, and where is the debt utilized for? So you have to just go through on a macro level whether the company is making profits, does it have a proper cash flows or not, and what is the future of the company. But it's but mostly I look for the fundamentals only for the long term. For the swing trading, I just take a macro view for the fundamentals, combine both fundamentals and technicals, whether it's swing trading, positional trading. So for swing trading, you can look for target to 5 to 10% and hold for 5 to 15 days, so that capture the swings. Mistake most of the investors make is they ignore the market sentiments. So if the overall market, nifty, like I just show you the nifty, if overall the market is in downtrend, so if now I just put the 50 ms chart. So if daily time frame is below 50 MA, then I would suggest have very conservative approach in swing trading stocks, because the market will be very volatile and can have a bearish outlook if you are in a buying zone. So I would suggest newcomers to only look for swing trading and don't trade in derivatives. So now you know my 5-minute swing trading and stock selection strategy. Try this any on one stock today and write down on the comment below. I will analyze in my next video. Subscribe for more stock analysis and trading strategies. Hit the bell icon button so you don't miss my next video. In fact, please comment which video you guys I should make more learning experience. Follow my Telegram channel Stocks Find Analysis given in the link below. Yeah, that's for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember, stocks mind research into results. Thank you.